How to fix Roblox crashing. Hey there, is your Roblox suddenly crashing? Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Roblox crashing issue with some easy steps in this quick tutorial. To solve this problem, follow the methods. Method 1. Close unnecessary background apps. Unnecessary background apps may cause this error, so close all the unnecessary background apps from your device. Method 2. Update your Roblox. Open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Roblox app. Find and tap on Roblox. If the update is available, tap on Update and update your Roblox game. Method 3. Clear the Roblox cache. Open the Settings, tap on Apps, then tap on See All Apps or App Management. Scroll down, find the Roblox game, tap on it. Tap on Storage, tap on Clear Cache. Now check your issue. If you still have the issue, then let's go for the next method. Reinstall Roblox. If you have tried all the above steps and you are still getting the error, then you may need to reinstall Roblox. This will delete all of your Roblox settings and data. So make sure that you back up everything important before you do this. To reinstall the Roblox and install the Roblox app from your device, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Roblox, tap on the Roblox app and tap on Install. Wait for the app to install. Open the Roblox app and log into your account and check your issue. If you are still having crashing issues after following all the above steps, please contact Roblox support for further assistance. I hope this video helped you to fix your Roblox crashing or not launching issue. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.